family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider to subscribe. So today I want to give you my empty two-bedroom house tour. What I considered about this house, you can ask why I chose this house. It's because of security. It has a security here. You can see it has a CCTV. So that's one thing that I considered. Security is so important. And another thing, the house is new. I love moving to a new house, not a house that has been used. So guys, this is the living room. You can see another thing that I loved about this house is so spacious, and the window, you can see how large the window is. I really love this large window. So this is one thing that I considered when moving to this house. You can see how spacious it is, and you can see this house comes with a Wi-Fi, but you will pay for it. This is Wi-Fi, and this is DSTV. So this is what I love about this house. It comes with inbuilt DSTV and Wi-Fi. So you can see, and I love the color. The house is still new, guys. That's why I consider this house. And you can see this window. You can see this kitchen window, the way it's large. I love it, and I love this marble tile. Can I say a tile? This is marble. I really love it. That's why I love. So you can see the kitchen. Actually, you can see this is the kitchen and this is the living room. When you come from the living room, there's here a washing sink. There's a washing sink here, and we have a beautiful mirror here. And here's the washroom. You can see how large it is, and it comes with a shower, a hot shower. So you have this thing here for hanging your towel. You can hang here your towel. Here you can put your soap. Yes, guys. So this is the washroom. Welcome to my kitchen, guys. You can see how spacious it is. It's not very small. Don't mind this. I was cleaning the house with this one. So this is the kitchen, guys. It has a spacious cabinets. These are the cabinets, guys. You can see. And you have other storage here for keeping your things. And down here we have more storage. It's a new house, guys, so I'm going to clean it, don't mind. And it has this space for kitchen counter. I guess it's small, but anyway, we will work with that one. So after the kitchen we have this wash area. Don't mind about the water or the dirt, guys. I'm still doing the cleaning. So here's the wash area. You can put there your washing machine. You can see this those sockets there where you can place here your washing machine. So this is actually the washing area. guys, let's go to other rooms. Let's go to other rooms. So I'll take you to the kids' room. So this is Skylar's bedroom. Skylar's new bedroom. She's so happy that she has a bedroom. I just told her we are moving to another house whereby you are going to have your bedroom. She's very, very happy you have a bedroom. You can see what I love about this bedroom, guys. It has a large window. You can see how large the window is, making the lighting is so good. So you can see the storages. Here we have the storage. You can see how large they are. So you can see how spacious and large the storage are. And imagine this is just the kids' bedroom. It has a mirror here. The wardrobes has a mirror here. You can use the mirror when you're dressing. It's a dressing mirror. So this is another storage, guys. It has another storage here, guys. And of course, it has another mirror, of course, another mirror. The storage and another mirror, guys. Another dressing mirror. This is why I love this house. It has enough storage. The master's bedroom. So after the kids' bedroom, it's the master's bedroom, guys. This is the master's bedroom. What I love about this bedroom is so the lighting is perfect, guys. You can see the lighting is perfect, the natural light, and the large window. The large window, you can see the large window. I really love this large window. You can see, guys, these are just sockets. So after that, guys, you can see the storage. You have storage here with a mirror, a dressing mirror. I love this house because it has a large storage. The storage is very, very large. You can see you can put your clothes, other clothes there. You can hang in other places. You can see more storage there. And of course, a dressing mirror. In every room they have two dressing mirrors. So this is why I love this house. And you can see how spacious the bedroom is. I've told you I love this house because of security. They have CCTV all over this place. Every stairs, every place you go, we have CCTV. So security is on top notch, and you can see how spacious the house is. And of course, I love when I'm moving to another house, I want a new house. I don't like a house whereby people have stayed there. So that's what I love. So this house is new. I'm the first person in this house. That's why I love this house. Thank you so much for watching till here. I really do appreciate. Thank you my subscribers. Thank you my returning subscribers. Bye, and let's meet on our next video.